Dear students, in this video I am going to explain you about working with random module. This is the most important module of this chapter. The purpose of random module is to generate random number. Random number is used to generate random passwords, random code. I think you have seen these random codes in website. Whenever you log in any website, that time it shows one random number. So a random number is a number generated by chance randomly. To use random number generators in Python program, we have to import random module. Then we can use its function. Most common random number generator function in random module are random. This function generates random number between 0 and 1, and these numbers are floating point numbers, means these numbers are in decimal form, and the numbers are between greater than equal to 0 and less than 1. Next is rand int. Okay, here I have written wrong this one. Rand int. Rand int, it generates random integers between a and b. That is, the n is greater than equal to a and less than equal to b. These are the most important functions, but there are some more functions here. Next is choice. The choice function returns a random element from the non-empty sequences. Sequence means a list. Here the next function is shuffle. It shuffles the list here. Next is uniform. It returns a random floating point number n. That number is greater than equal to a and less than equal to b. Next is rand range. It has only one parameter. It returns random integer from 0 to less than limit. Choice. It returns a random element from the non-empty sequence. If sequence is empty, it raises index error. Sample. It has two parameters. First is population, then next is k. It returns a k length list of unique elements chosen from the population sequence or set, used for random sampling without replacement. These are the basic examples, and I will explain you these examples using this Python shell. Okay, just wait, I am explaining you. Here first I have to import the random module. Import random, then here random dot random, then press the enter key. See here it is generating this random number, random floating point number. Again if you run it, random dot random, then you see here it is generating different number. Then next random dot rand int 1, 10. It will generate random integer between 1 and 10. Again if I run it, random dot rand int 1, 10. See here it is this time it is showing 6. Okay, no problem. Again I will run it, rand int 1, 10, 8. You see here this rand int function has generated 8. Now next is uniform. I'll show you how to use uniform function. Here okay, it is showing some problem. Random dot uniform 2.5 comma. You see here it is showing its syntax: get a random number in the range a comma b and A comma B. I will tell you what's the meaning of this parameter here. 2.5, then next is 10.0. There is one difference between rand and uniform. Rand generates random integer, but it generates random floating point number. Next is rand range. Random dot rand range 10. You see here, this time it has generated 5. Again, if I run it, rand range 10. This time it has generated the next integer is 8. Now another function here, random dot choice. Here this one, win when. Okay, wait, it is showing some problem. Next function is choice here. I'll tell you how to use this function. Here I am passing the parameter of list type, then lose, then here draw, then press the enter key, lose. If I run it again, random, okay, here I will place the cursor here and I will run it again. You see here it is showing draw. In this way you can run the command again in the Python shell, and it has one advantage that means you have no need to type the command again and again. Then again press the enter key. It is showing here when, means the choice function generates random element from a sequence. And next I will tell you shuffle. Okay, I am seeing where is the deck. Yeah, here there is one more function, deck equal to ace 2 3 4. The purpose of this function is to split, means this is a one string, it will split this string into words. Now I will run it, random dot shuffle deck, and okay, it is not showing anything, no problem. What you have to do here, now you type the name of the variable. See here it is showing 4 ace 3 2, because it has shuffled these string elements. Whenever you used to split the string, it splits the string into words, and these words will store in a list. Okay, that's all about the random module. Thank you for watching this video.